Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video. In today's giveaway video, we will start some kind of mini-series again, so similar to what we have done for the Gear 5. So in today's mini-series, we will deal with the topic of the observation haki. So I think I'm going to create 3 stages of this observation haki. So in today's giveaway video and in tomorrow's tutorial, you'll have the first stage, which is about dodging attacks. So it is pretty basic. I recommend you to add your own animations. So a handful of animations, so I only have 2 in this case, but you can of course change that, and also some effects if you want to, because this right here is pretty basic, so I'm just gonna give you the basics.